Selenius et al. In 2005 referred chloride as life evolved from water. The ocean holds all the chloride that we need. Chloride is formed as a byproduct of the electrolytes potassium, magnesium and sodium. In its original form, chloride is formed from various rocks into soil and water by years of weathering process. From there, it is transported to oceans or closed basins. Chloride salts are vital for human metabolic process. Chloride is one of the essential macro minerals along with calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, sodium and sulfur. Students, in this episode, we will be learning about chloride in elaborate. We shall get started with an introduction to chloride. Chloride is an essential mineral for humans. It is a major mineral nutrient that occurs primarily in body fluids. The chloride ion is the anion, that is negatively charged ion, and is formed when the element chlorine, a halogen, gains an electron, or when a compound such as hydrogen chloride is dissolved in water or another polar solvents. Chloride is very important for osmolaltic and acid-base balance. Because chloride is found in a ratio of 1:1 with sodium, changes in chloride should always be interpreted with sodium. Changes in free water and the gain or loss of chloride and sodium are the major mechanisms for a change in chloride concentration. In this episode, we will discuss chloride with the objectives, that is, after studying this module, you will be able to understand the distribution of chloride in the body, discuss the absorption and utilization, identify the dietary sources, describe the deficiency and toxicity. Let us start knowing the distribution of chloride in the body. Chloride is a prominent negatively charged ion of the blood, where it represents 70% of the body's total negative ion content. Chloride is the major extracellular anion found together with sodium. On an average, an adult human body contains approximately 115 grams of chloride, making up to 0.15% of the total body weight. Chloride represents 70% of the body's total negative ion content. You have about 45 millimole per kg of chloride. A 70 kg male has about 3.2 moles of chloride, that is about 150 grams of chloride of the total 90% in the extracellular. 70% is in the total anionic charge of the extracellular fluid. The extracellular concentration is about 100 nanomole per liter. Chloride concentration in the cell is kept low by action of a chloride potassium co-transporter. A small percentage of about 15 of chloride in the body is located inside cells, with the highest amounts in red blood cells. Chloride is also present in very small amounts in bones. Now let us try to understand the mechanism of absorption of chloride. Chloride is almost completely absorbed in the small intestine. Its absorption closely follows that of sodium in the establishment and maintenance of electrical neutrality. The absorptive mechanisms, however, generally are different. Chloride is actively absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract. However, the absorbed sodium creates an electrical gradient that provides the energy for the accompanying inward diffusion of chloride. The electroneutral sodium chloride co-transport absorption system also contributes to the movement of chloride into the mucosal cells. Although the relative contribution of this system of total chloride absorption is not well established, sodium absorbed by the electrogenic sodium absorption mechanism also is accompanied by chloride, which follows the absorbed sodium passively to maintain electrical neutrality. Secretory mechanism for the electrolytes throughout the gastrointestinal tract center on chloride, which is the major secretory products of the stomach and the rest of the gastrointestinal tract. Chloride is the only ion actively secreted by the epithelium, and its movement can be monitored by changes in electrical potentials. Cells take up chloride from the blood across the basolateral membrane by way of sodium-potassium chlorine co-transport pathway. Chloride accumulating in the cell exists through the brush border membrane into the lumen through the chloride channels. Dysfunction of chloride transport is found in people with cystic fibrosis. The genetic disorder results from a mutation in a protein called cystic fibrosis, a transmembrane conductance regulator. Defects in the protein results in the production of extremely thick mucus that obstructs many of the body's glands and causes many organs, especially the lungs and pancreas, to malfunction. Let us understand the factors influencing the absorption and metabolism of chloride. Adrenocortical steroids and sex hormones facilitate the retention of sodium and chloride in the body and excretion of potassium by kidneys in the urine. Temperature also plays a key role in influencing the absorption of chloride. In summer, large amounts of sodium and chloride are lost in the perspiration and it becomes low in winter. Renal disease with acidosis, sodium and chloride ion excretion in urine is increased due to poor tubular reabsorption. The pivotal roles of chloride in the body, that is utilization by the body. To function properly, organisms must actively pump sodium and chloride out of cells and actively take in potassium. Chloride has essential functions in addition to its role as a major electrolyte. Chloride is essential for the maintenance of extracellular fluids, acid-base balance, water balance, and osmotic pressure. The phenomenon of chloride shift is responsible for uptake of carbon dioxide by the erythrocytes from tissues and their exchange at the lungs. It is also essential for the secretion of gastric hydrochloric acid. This secreted along with protons from the peritoneal cells of the stomach. Specific chloride channels have been identified in the central nervous system and are associated with benzodiazepine receptors. The entrance of chloride into cells leads to hyperpolarization of the cell membrane. It provides 2/3 of the anion of plasma and its main factor for regulating body reactions. It is needed for regulating osmotic pressure in the body. In addition to its functions as an electrolyte, chloride combines with hydrogen in the stomach to make hydrochloric acid, a powerful digestive enzyme that is responsible for the breakdown of proteins, absorption of other metallic minerals, and activation of intrinsic factor, which in turn absorbs vitamin B12. Chloride ions are essential for the action of phytolin and pancreatic amylase. It is also essential in acid-base regulation. Chloride is utilized by the white blood cells during phagocytosis for the destruction of foreign particles. In chloride shift process, it acts as the exchange anion for bicarbonates in red blood cells. This requires a protein transporter that moves chloride and bicarbonates in opposite direction across the cell membrane. The transporter protein chloride bicarbonate exchanger that transports the bicarbonate out of the cell into the cell. In the absence of chloride, bicarbonate transport ceases. Chloride is specially transported into the gastric lumen in exchange for another negatively charged electrolyte bicarbonate to maintain electrical neutrality across the stomach membrane. After utilization in hydrochloric acid, some chloride is reabsorbed by the intestine back into the bloodstream, where it is required for maintenance of extracellular fluid volume. Chloride is both actively and passively absorbed by the body depending on the current metabolic demands. A constant exchange of chloride and bicarbonate between red blood cells and the plasma helps to govern the pH balance and transport of carbon dioxide, a waste product of respiration, from the body. With sodium and potassium, chloride works in the nervous system to aid in the transport of electrical impulses throughout the body as movement of negatively charged chloride into the cell propagates the nervous electrical potential. As a main electrolyte in the body, it assists in conduction of electrical impulses. Chloride is an electrolyte and a minor element, making up 0.14% of the concentration of elements in the human body. Food sources. The intake of chloride in general takes place along sodium as common salt. Chloride is found in table salt or sea salt as sodium chloride. It is also found in many vegetables. Foods with higher amounts of chloride include seaweed, rae, tomatoes, lettuce, celery, and olives. Chloride together with potassium is also found in most foods and usually the main ingredients of salt substitutes. Let us now move on to learn about the excretion of chloride. Chloride is chiefly eliminated in the urine, also in sweat. Its concentration in sweat is increased in hot climates and decreased by aldosterone. Chloride excretion occurs through three primary routes, that is the gastrointestinal tract, the skin and the kidney, with losses through each route closely reflecting those of sodium. Excretion of chloride through intestinal tract normally is very small and represents only the unabsorbed chloride. Losses through the skin are essentially the same as for sodium, that is normally quite small except in case of elevated temperature and vigorous exercise. The major route of chloride excretion is through the kidney, where it is primarily regulated through sodium regulation. Now we shall have a look at the deficiency and toxicity of chloride. Deficiency of chloride is rare. However, when it does occur, it results in a life-threatening condition known as alkalosis, in which the blood becomes overly alkaline. A tedious balance between alkalinity and acidity is in constant flux and must be vigilantly maintained throughout the entire body. Alkalosis may occur because of excessive loss of sodium, such as heavy sweating during endurance exercise and in cases of prolonged vomiting and diarrhea. Symptoms include muscle weakness, loss of appetite, irritability, dehydration, and profound lethargy. Hypochloremia may result from water overload, wasting conditions, and extensive bodily burns with sequestration of extracellular fluids. In a situation in which infants were inadvertently fed chloride deficient formula may experience failures to thrive, anorexia, and weakness in their first year of life. Deficiency disease or symptoms occur in infants fed salt-free formula. On a chloride deficit diet, the excretion of chloride in the urine or perspiration is markedly reduced. It is also secondary to vomiting, diuretic therapy, and renal disease. Excessive depletion of chloride ions through losses in the gastric secretions or by deficiencies in the diet may lead to alkalosis due to an excess of bicarbonate, since the inadequate level of chloride is partially compensated for or replaced by bicarbonates. Chloride deficit also occurs when losses of sodium are excessive, gastric juice, by vomiting, pyloric or duodenal obstruction. Hypochloremia alkalosis may develop in Cushing syndrome. Chloride deficiency symptoms are loss of appetite, muscle weakness, lethargy, and dehydration. Let us understand the toxicity. Chloride toxicity has not been observed in humans except for impaired sodium chloride metabolism. A higher than normal level of chloride in blood is known as hyperchloremia. However, very high intakes of more than 15 grams a day, for instance, usually in the form of salt, may lead to symptoms such as acid-base imbalance, fluid retention, and high blood pressure. It is normally not a concern as excess chloride is excreted by the body. Hyperchloremia may therefore due to excessively high intake of sodium chloride or potassium chloride, reduced urinary excretion in certain cases of cancer, gastritis, and kidney disease, dehydration, intake of certain drugs. Till now, we have discussed in detail about chloride for its distribution, absorption, and utilization. We have also briefed about the toxicity as well as deficiency and identified the food sources. Now, let us summarize today's episode. The salient features discussed include: chloride is a highly important vital mineral required for both human and animal life. Without chloride, the human body would be unable to maintain fluids in blood vessels, conduct nerve transmissions, move muscles, or maintain proper kidney function. As a major electrolyte mineral of the body, chloride performs many roles and is rapidly excreted from the body. As the principal negatively charged ion in the body, chloride serves as one of the main electrolytes of the body. Chloride, in addition to potassium and sodium, assists in the conduction of electrical impulses when dissolved in bodily water. It is most common in the salt form of sodium chloride. It is an essential electrolyte located in all body fluids, responsible for maintaining acid-base balance, transmitting nerve impulses and regulating fluid in and out of cells. Hypochloremia is due to deficit in body chloride, and hyperchloremia is excess of chloride than required. So that is all about chlorine.